Hey guys, today we are playing a Sandbox Universe. That is what it's called. And again, I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm back. So I stopped recording 2 times by accident. So now I forgot what I'm doing actually. I am. Wait, no. This is so confusing. Let's see if you can see the original star. I mentioned myself. No, it's just something to do, but then I forgot, which I don't know when it was. It's just something about the, wait, just keep adding water. Oh, get far away from the original star and place a planet, so whichever planet I think it is. Ooh, a nice planet. And we're gonna lock it, and yes, we will choose that one, and we will place it. And we will place it down. Oh, it's so cool. I didn't mean to do that. How do I get rid of it? The only way we can get rid of it is burn it. No. There's only way to burn it. Like, you know what I'm saying? No, where are you going? I wanna see how it changes actually. I wanna see how it changes when you burn it. I wanna see how you like it changes things. Okay, no. It's me moving. Why is it not burning? Burn, I told you, burn! Oh, it's not burning. Have it right here. So now burn, I told you, burn! Burn! Wait, maybe I need to do this. Burn! Why did you just burn? Okay, burning. Let's see it. Burn, there it is. Wait, is it gonna crash? No, it's gonna crash. It didn't give me the achievement. Okay, you know what? I need to burn this time. This is trash. I need to burn it. I need to burn this thing because it's trash. I think it didn't hit me. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now let's get as far away as we can. Galaxy far west. This. Oh, I just get in the galaxy. But now we need to get as far. I think right here would be a good place actually. Let's just play like on Earth. Tundra, terrestrial, rocky. I mean this one. Wait. This. Oh, we could put a ring. Even if I put a sad on it. Wait, even if I put a ring on it. No. Alien planet. Wait, I should have said what? Oh my god, that shit looks pretty cool. Wait, the problem is I think it's time. Wait, what happens? What happens when you put 2? Put another one. Put another one. Okay, I think I'm lagging. Wait, what happens if I put more actually? I think I'm lagging, but I can't be sure actually. It actually looks pretty cool. Let's see. It's burning alive. The rocket hit my face. Now we must stop. It actually looks pretty cool, like an apocalyptic. Wait. Something says. I said I got something, but I didn't read it. Let's go check what I got. Wait, what's that? I got the alien planet. I got the lava planet, which I didn't know I got. I'm gonna burn it with this thing. I'm just gonna burn it down because let's see where is it. I should do nothing. Wait. We could cool it down. Wait. You could be cool, dude. You could be cool. Oh, it's refilling. Oh, that's cool. Like, not refilling, but it's really cool. I don't know what I'm saying. But let's go. Okay, we cannot have a planet. We need to explode. Explode. Oh, there is a fire. So once we see the fire, we see that it's burning. Okay, I get it. I didn't get it first. Look, it's the alien planet. I mean, the lava planet. Now it's gone. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see what I can get actually. Okay, no, I'm gonna do this one. Set a planet to nebula to pick up a lot from the star collisions. How am I supposed to get a get a 1 to critical mass? I could do that. I could wait, what's the name of it? We need to get a wide door. Is it like this one? So it's gonna be locked in place. I don't know what this is actually. I want to create a black hole. Oh my god. I know what it's in it, but okay. Oh my god. Get it? It's like oh my god. I actually meant that by I didn't do that by accident. That was actually I just surprised me. I saw the black hole. Now burn! I'm just gonna walk away from you. There it is. Wait a minute, wait. Is that a black hole? Is that a black hole? Is that a black hole? Let's see if it's actually a black hole because I'm surprised. Wait. I need to get rid of this. Okay, let's go see now the black hole. Oh! I did not think it was gonna be that big. You know what? We need to feed this thing. I'm gonna need to feed this thing. I said we need to feed. Why can't I feed it? That's amazing. Black hole. Okay. Why can't you place it down? Place it. Everything you place down, like oh. Wait, what happens if I give it? I just had an amazing idea. What if we give it the sun? Would it eat it? Oh my god! It's actually absorbing like the like not the sun, but it's absorbing like the. You can say the oh. Is it shrinking? Oh my god! That's amazing! How many times did I say amazing and like, oh my god? I have no idea because I don't have a counter. But if I had, I might be rich. I know I'm saying, but okay. But this is amazing for real. I did not know. I saw a video of Markiplier, but I did not see him try this. And it's amazing. Shrink, and you will be furious. A plan. Wait, what I'm saying again? You will be furious, little son. I feel like it's gonna shrink a lot and then go. Wait, it's the black hole I think is shrinking. The black hole I think it's growing. I may be saying here, feeling this black hole. I just had an idea. Oh my god, I did it. I said it right. Now it's that's cool. Get the sun. Get the power of the sun. I think I'm stuck. My leg got stuck. Okay, do this. Get the power of the sun. Wait. Let's see if I could actually like. Yes. No, I should not. Ooh. There it is. Oh my god. I did not think it was gonna work. Give it all your power. wait. Now that it's up, wait. Just do this. And then like, not that much. Wait. Oh, so you could change what? Oh, I get it. I'm just gonna put this so it doesn't rotate. Now that it's shrinking, let's see what other things we could get right. Oh, now it's shrinking. We should probably go. Oh, spin up really fast. You could do that? Oh. I wanna do that. Let's see. So if we do this. Do it. Let's see. I did it to spin very fast. Like. Okay, there it is. So spin. And boom. Wormhole. What done? You unlock wormhole. I want to see what happens actually. Let's see what happens when you teleport Senico. Wait, what? Teleport Senico lights with another wormhole. I want to see what happens actually. Boom. Okay, I need to see this. Okay. Big on dot. Oh my god, I think. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, I forgot what it means. Isn't that amazing? Wait, let's see what happens when I spawn this. Wait. The stars are actually moving. I need to get rid of this black hole so it doesn't interrupt them. Wait a minute. Can I not get rid of this? I cannot get rid of this. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. Wait. How can I go? Oh wait, I can. Wait, can I? Yeah, I can. Okay. Me gone. That torch actually moved. How does it look when I haven't tried this? I don't know what it look. Am I actually hitting it? Oh my god! Please kill. Shut up, one more. I'm selling more. Wait, does this thing work? I think the black hole doesn't work. Apparently it doesn't work. Because you want to go. Okay, I think I'm gonna restart this thing. Okay, yeah. So it says it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna. It wasn't sponsored by. This wasn't sponsored by Facebook. No. Okay, there it is. So it was my thing. Like I have a shirt and then like it had. I don't know what I'm saying. Just continue with this thing because it's amazing. Okay, let's see let's see. Teleports anything, it collides with another wormhole. What? Teleports anything? Okay, I'm gonna understand it, so I'm gonna try and figure it out. I wasn't recording this whole time. Okay. So what I did is put a planet in the habitable zone where the sun is. So now it must create life. Problem is, I don't know how to create life. What am I supposed to do? I don't get it. I should probably check this thing. It's the sun and the earth. It's an average created by many collections of high temperatures. I should have probably made research. Which means... Wait. Oh, where is it? Where's that? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna destroy this thing. If I can actually find this. Oh, a black hole. I wanna create a wormhole actually. But it's gonna be destroyed. Yeah, it's gonna burn. See, it's red. Oh my god, it's a devil's planet. Boom. Kaboom. No, what are you doing again? Oh yeah, maybe now. Right? I should know the number. What am I do? Okay, let me know. I think. How did I get this one? I don't get it. I'm just gonna go get Mercury and put it right there. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, dude? Where are you going? Where are you going? Wait. Oh, wait. Lock. Okay, there it is. So now, what we need to do is get this thing. Let's get to the top, to the tippy top. If I can ever find it. Oh wait, we need to find this thing right here. Make it collide. If I can actually make it collide. Dun 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 dun. They're taking so much. Oh my god. What did I use? What did I use? That's what it's about upon collision. I did not want collision. I want water. No. I need to go. I need the thing that freezes. If I can ever find it, of course. Where is it? There it is. Cool it down. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Wait, just my sister. Now I need to cool this down. I need to cool it. Wait, what? Oh my god, I did not know you could do this. You could cool it very down. What am I saying? What am I saying actually? Let's see if we could actually. I don't want to explode, but I want to heat up, heat up, heat up. Okay, no. Too much. I'm doing too much. Okay, now I wanted to just add water. I did not think it was gonna blow up. I did not think it, maybe if like the mask, maybe the mask was too much. Oh, never mind. Is he gonna break the planet? Please tell me he's gonna break the planet. Oh my god. I need to do this. If I can ever find it, of course. Where's it? It's right here. Cool it down. I'm trying to create life. But of course, I don't think it's gonna work because I'm exploded. Because I don't think it's gonna work, so why not explode it? Are you gonna blow up? Okay, so it just exploded in my face. So I don't know where is it. Wait, what's this? Tundra. So it has what? I want the one that has water in it. And it's not that much hot. So wait, what's this? Alien planet. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's amazing. Looks more like Earth. Maybe this one? Maybe this one. Oh wait. No, I'm doing what I'm doing. Okay, lock in position. I'm just stretching the leg because I don't know what to do. This is me right now, waiting. Take a picture. Move. Okay, I don't know what I want to do because maybe if I do this, maybe I could do more faster. Like, what if I do like speed it? What if I do that? Okay, no, that's too bad. That's too bad. What am I supposed to do? Okay, I'm gonna research how to actually no. I was about to research, but I don't want to actually. I want to finish the video. You can tell me how to do this, which I actually did. You could tell me how to create life on Earth. Oh, whatever it's called. This planet is called. So, that's it for this episode of Sam Block's Universe. So, goodbye.